and welcome back. Most of you already know me, but my name is Calypsa for those that don't. And today I'm going to be doing my unboxing for Tokyo Treat December issue, and it looks like this. I'm dressed up nice and warm because even though I'm inside, it is chilly up in Canada right now. Very cold, lots of snow where I am. It's kind of crappy. Let's get an unboxing. So I like my Tokyo Treats. I've got a lot of Japanese candy, different types of chips, goodies, pop usually, that types of stuff. So let's see. Okay, super filled box. So it always comes with this little pamphlet anyways that tells you what kind of everything that comes in the issue. So let's see. Find the page that gives us information on what everything is. Okay, so first of all, orange Kit Kats. So absolutely have been super stoked for these. I love orange chocolate, so I'm hoping that those are going to be delicious. And then we have Kirby Melon Cream Soda. Ooh, I bet you that's going to be delicious. Also a big fan of Kirby. One Piece cookies, yum 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 yum. Then we have anime snacks. Let's see, I guess these right here. But it doesn't say, let's see. I'm not too sure which one, but I guess, it's all of them. That's awesome. So that's that and this one right here. So it doesn't say what really it is, but I'll have to try them after and see exactly. Oh, maybe here it will. Let's see. Splatoon 2 gel candy. That's going to be good. And then we got Dragon Ball mini chocolate bar. Where are you? This thing. Oh, there we go. I found it. So I think maybe this is a bit easier than what I normally do. I can actually find things and point it out a bit easier. Chocolate waffle. Oh, that's going to be so good. I can't wait to try it. Let's see. Oh, the Conan waffle thing. I think I already put it there by accident. It's over in the pile. Let's see. That was chocolate wafer snack. That's what the Conan thing was. The Dragon Ball Z was a super card gum. And then, of course, Mabo. I can't pronounce this ever. I'm so sorry, but I will get at it one day. Chocolate flake. I'm not sure where that is. This thing maybe? Oh, right there, chocolate flake. I like chocolate, so I'm sure it's going to be good. Calabi chocolate chips. Again, more chocolate. Then we got caramel taro. I guess maybe this right there. Okay. Then we have, popping candy. I love popping candy. It's so delicious. I'm going to be enjoying that for sure. Then we got some sort of Aspero eggs, bean candies. Not sure. We'll have to try them out, see what they're like. And then this is the do-it-yourself kit. So today it's an ice bar. It's a soda flavored ice bars. Ooh, can't wait to try them. I like making little fun things. Then corn snacks, yum yum yum, and then the other little anime snacks that it came with was the Burrito Energy Gummies and the One Piece cookies. So, anyways, that's the end of my little unboxing. There's the thing, there's the box, tons of goodies. Woohoo! Again, my name is Calypsa, and have a nice night and have happy holidays. See ya all. Bye. Peace out, geeks.